Hey folks, welcome back to High Plant Repertoire. Today we are making red kidney beans using the non-soaking method. The liquid level will cook down. I check approximately every 25 minutes. I will stir and add a little water. When I use this non-soaking method, it tends to take approximately an hour and 45 minutes to 2 hours to cook the beans. During the last 25-minute check, I will add anything that I'd like, for example, some salt and some chopped onions. You can add what you like. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me on this journey as I try to build a healthier and kinder cooking repertoire.